all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we're carrying on with the Knight Rider. Yes, last two issues for this month, 77 and 78. There we go, excellent. They are the headlights. There we go. Yeah, they're still in the packaging. We also need the LEDs of cable M. And I did receive a replacement issue 75 for the bonnet, the two cylinders that were damaged, and I have replaced them. I'll show you on the overhead because these are in perfectly good condition. There we go. It was this cylinder here. Pop the piston in and it bust out. It split it basically on both of them. So I have replaced them. There is a little notch on these pistons that when you push it in, it is a tight fit. So basically with the new ones I just filed it down a little bit, but it still works perfectly good, which it should do, but it shouldn't split that cylinder at all, and it does fit onto the car perfectly. Excellent stuff. So let's have a look at issue 77. Here we have issue 77. Knight and Nerd. That's a different way of spelling it. I killed a man for this at Buck Rogers Gizmo. That doesn't work. There we go. Format is brilliant as always. Very 80s. Excellent. In this issue you will assemble the left headlight and install it on your kit scale model. We've just got to make sure we've got this glass the right way around. There's some writing on it. I think it says halogen. Yeah, halogen. Must be readable. There you go, pop that into the brackets, pop it onto the car, and yep, there we go. And 78 is exactly the same, but is the right headlight. There we go, and there goes halogen again. Excellent. And all the next 4 issues are on their way to me. There we go, that's what the car will look like in the end. Excellent. Yes, the next 4 issues are being prepared, so I should have them up on the channel hopefully in the next couple of weeks time. Brilliant. It's where we fit the motor and the lever to control the headlights up and down. Excellent stuff. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, here we have the parts for issue 77. Let's go bolts. There we go, those are all the parts that we need. Now this needs the LED, yeah, with a short lead, so that is that one. That can pop in to there like so. Now so long as we get this the right way around, and we need the LED light the LED cable coming down that way and dressed on the back that way. There we go. This has an L on it as well. Excellent stuff. But now what we need to do is to pop the glass on the front. It's plastic, it's not glass. It does have halogen. There we go. Pop that into place. There we go. Excellent. That's looking grand. Now we do need the OP screws because we have OP, TM, AM and LM screws. So there we go. Now we've popped that LED in. You must make sure you pop it all the way down. Otherwise it's going to be an extremely tight fit. Now what we need is to pop this into place, and we need 2 OP screws, one here and one here for here and here. There we go. Let's see, that should hold that. Yep, that's bonny, that nice and bonny. We'll get the first screw into place. There we go. Excellent. So next we need this bracket which will pop here, and again we need 2 TM screws, one here and one here. So we'll get them out. There we go, I've got a bit of a closer shot now. It's always difficult to see these parts being black on black. That's not taking the screw at all. There we go, managed it that time. And we need another screw on the other side. Get that lined up with the hole. Brilliant, there we go. Now we can pop this onto the car. Okay, now we got the car in position, we can pop this first headlight just here like that. Our two lugs here and here, they will sit just there like so, and we need 2 AM screws on these outer holes. Pop a little bit of oil on that one, that'll hold that nicely. It is very loose, this headlight, not sure if it should be that loose. I know it tells you not to over tighten it, but I haven't actually over tightened it, as you can tell. Right, now there's a channel there for the lead, and we can get this little clip into place, and we need LM screws for this. So if we hold that cable like that and put the clamp over the top, we can get the first screw into place. Well, that's part way down. There we go, brilliant. That is nice and free. Obviously we have, as you can see here, this bracket. Yeah, we will have a mechanism for this, so it can move up and down with a motor. It's got a mark on it as well. I don't know, but yeah, that goes up and down there, like so. All we need now is the right headlight, so let's get on with stage 78. Okay, now we have the right headlight. Okay, those are all the parts that we need, same as before of course. We can bring the car over and we just pop this LED into here where the R is. We need it, I think, this way around. Let's see, pop that all the way down, get in there. Then we can bend the leads, there we go, bring that out that away, and then yeah, we need the cover again. That should say halogen. Yeah, that's the right way up this time, and that goes on like so. Excellent. Yep, just about to see the writing. Yeah, and then it's just a case of popping this into place into there again with 2 OP screws. We'll line up first. That's one in. Get this one lined up. I think it's just about there. Looks it. There we go. Excellent stuff. Now we need this bracket, don't we? And we need that. Not that way. I think it's that way. There we go. We have that channel there for that wire. Now we need the screws. So we'll get that bracket lined up, and we need 2 TM screws, one on each end. Get that screw into place. Excellent. Quite a loose fit that as well as. I suppose it doesn't really matter because it's going to be controlled by a motor anyway. There we go, now we can get this onto the car. Okay, now we've got the car with us again. Can pop that there. Again, 2 lugs. There you go. Yeah, you can see the R as well. And that fits just there. And on each end of this bracket we put an AM screw. There we go. And then it's just a case of reroute that cable to there, put the cable grip over the top like so, and then we need 1 or 2 LM screws to keep that into place, and it would move, wouldn't it? Yes. That's the first one. There we go. Nice and bonny. Excellent. There we go. Can we see it? Oops. I'll have to move out. There we go. There we go. That's the headlights in place. Yeah, well, that cable nicely channeled as well as. So I'll keep that off the windscreen. Flip this over. And there we go. They lie flat like that for now. This one does have marks on it, so it looks like I'm going to reorder this issue as well. Unbelievable. But it is significant. Something's lent on that, which is annoying. This one is perfectly alright. But yeah, that one. Let's see. Show you. There we go. See the marks there. Something sat on that. It's going to annoy the hell out of me. But that is issues 77 and 78 complete. Well, there we go, folks. There are the headlights. Looking great. Yeah, obviously one of them has got some minor damage on it. I don't know whether I'm being too finicky, to be honest. Too picky. Should I order a replacement or should I not? Anyway, let us know in the comments. But there we go. That is issues 77 and 78. Obviously 75 I showed you, it was just the 2 cylinders that needed replacing due to the pistons splitting them. But anyway, the next 4 are on the way. So there we go. That is Knight Rider for at least another 2 or 3 weeks. So anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and have a look at my wooden Lancaster bomber while you're at it. That's on my channel also. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.